back to the channel. All right, y'all. Today, I'm working on this Chevy truck. I think I'm having a electrical issue today. I'm about to crank it up so I can see if it's gonna do what it's been doing. Watch back, King. Watch back now. Crank it up. Yeah, I see the difference. This wire runs to my to this ground right here. So we're gonna check this out. So I definitely know it's an issue right there. So I'll try to see why it's doing that. I'm gonna check that ground wire first because I don't know if we're getting a good ground on it. Now, what I did was touch that coolant temp sensor down here. It's running much better, but I think we have a problem here. I don't know if it's getting a good connection or what. Those wires too, because they're kind of brittle and it's kind of melted down on that throttle body. But I think my problem is definitely in this coolant temp sensor wire. Y'all can see that when I hold that over. Alright guys, when I move these two wires on this sensor here, it idles up and it also makes the check engine light come on. I haven't read the codes yet, but what I'm going to do is take this plug out and check the prongs and see if they're kind of loose and not getting a good connection like it's supposed to. Let's see if y'all can see down there with this coolant temp sensor, this sensor here. I see a little rust in there, and that could be creating resistance, not allowing us to get all our current. If y'all can see, it's rusty in there. I don't know if y'all can even see it. Let me, it's kind of where I can see it if you guys can't. But yeah. And then, let's see that. It's kind of hard trying to hold the camera, the light, and all of that. Y'all can see that? It's a little rusty in the prongs in there. So that could be affecting the current flow. So I'm gonna try to get that cleaned up.
I can pull it out.
Huh?
I said, I can pull it out.
Yeah, I can pull it out. It'll take a little bit of time, you know.
You can just pull it out with your teeth.
My baby said pull it out with your teeth. No, I ain't like put my mouth on here. They be having a little tab on some of these things, but you can pull them out, y'all. But
I said, I used to be doing that back in the day.
He said he be doing that, y'all, back in the day. He ain't even that old. He said back in the day. Well, guys, let me work on this. I might need to get something.
I was a kid.
You still a kid, can you get something?
Back in the day.
I can see it rusty, y'all, in there. Just pull it out of there. Because I don't have another electrical connector to put on here, so I got to work with what I got. Y'all see that? Pull it out of there like that. I got a piece of sandpaper that I'm going to try to work. It's going to be at a itty bitty task, I tell you that. You got a yellow and a black. But if y'all do have a, you know, like another connector like this, you can just, you know, y'all don't want to go through that, just cut it off and tap back into it with another one. I don't even know if they sell these new, but I definitely know you can get them used from the junkyard. But, and they got these little tabs that lock them in. Let me see if y'all can see that. Y'all can see that little tab. Those was locking me in right here. So I'm just gonna get me a little piece of, what's the name, sandpaper, and try to clean off in there. That's gonna be, whew, that sandpaper gonna be little. I'm gonna twist me up a little bitty piece. And then I'm gonna try to get some inside of there to get those prongs clean in there, because I mean, if I can clean them, I'll do it. If not, then I just have to replace the whole sensor. I'm trying to save some money now, guys. Okay, y'all, I'll stick my little test light right in here and open it up just a little bit. The ground side got more rust on it, so this side was pretty okay, but I'm still gonna try to run a little piece of sandpaper through that, if y'all can see. But y'all see that rust on that prong right there? I'm gonna try to open it up a little bit. And make sure when y'all do this, you close them back up so it'll get a tight, snug fit. You can do it, close it back up with a nose pliers or something. Just close it up so it can fit on the, tightly back on the prong. I got a little piece of sandpaper, y'all, that I tore off my, thing. And I'm just gonna run it up through there to knock that rust off. Stop, James, stop doing that, sir. And a lot of people will say, just replace the sensor and all that stuff. Yeah. And don't do it too much. You don't want to sand it down too much, guys. Y'all see how it look cleaner in there? It's not too tedious, but it's just a money saver. It looks better. Yeah, I heard that. See, just close it back in. You see how it's open? This one's still open right here. This one is closed back. Just make sure it's closed good there. Okay, now it's time to push them back in there. Make sure they sit in the right direction. Pay attention to, you know, when you take it off, and you'll know. Just slide it back up through there. Yeah, see that? See how it won't come back out? Yeah, see that? And just push on to make sure they ain't coming back out, so they good. The back on, I mean this thing back on here. All right, I'm gonna try to take this sensor out because I can't like really see over in there to try to clean it out. So I'm gonna try to take it off, and it is a 3 1/4, 3/4, or a 19 millimeter. I'll show y'all a little trick too when I try to do this here. I'll put it on. And watch out for this, because this is plastic on the top of it. And also, if this is turning in there, that plastic, then you need to replace it. But this one is not turning, but I'm definitely gonna try not to break it while I'm trying to. And if you got another wrench to get some extra leverage, you put it on like this. Then you want to pull it to the left. Yeah, see? And there might be some water gonna shoot out of here, y'all, because I did have it running. Let me let this pressure off this thing too, so it won't be skeeting all out on me. I'm gonna wait the antifreeze out of there. Oh, that's a lot. Ah. Oh. Well, they ain't gonna get me. Put the top back on them now. Stop it up. Try to plug it up, y'all, with this glove. I'll give you enough. Can you, like, you done took my glove? Just stick it in there. Don't stick it too far in the end so you can be able to pull it back out there, guys. But just enough so it won't continue to leak. Can y'all see that rustiness in there? I don't know. Y'all just got some little pieces of sandpaper that all I do is just, I got this little light and I just put it against there and just put it down in there. Okay, you should have did that. And then I just rub it on there. Up and down. I can't really go side to side. Just try not to break the prongs that's in here. As much as I can get it clean in there. I'm just trying to, you know, save some money here. If it don't work, guys, then you gotta buy a new one, of course. But we're trying to make it do what it do. And this is Teflon tape. I don't know if they call it Teflon. It's tape for pipe, for plumbing, so stuff won't leak. But I'm using it because it works. I've used it in the past. All you do is put it on here, and then you just twist it on like that until you get enough on it, until you think you got enough on it. And that'll stop it from leaking. We want the antifreeze to leak out of here. So pull this glove out, and then we're gonna get it back started in here. Let's put that in there because it was leaking. Before it come back, it's starting to come back up though. Yeah. Do it with your hand. Screw it down tight as you can get it with your hand. Then you can tighten it back up with your arm wrench. 19mm, y'all, size. But all right there. That's snug right there, yeah, guys. So let me get this antifreeze on here, and I'll be right back. So we're about to crank it up. All right, crank it up, man. Crank up.
Yeah.
Alright. We're about to go on the test drive right quick. See how it goes. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video. Woo!